Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to identify fonts used in design with Canva. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva and locate the image you've uploaded to the canvas. Click directly on this image to select it. This is the image containing the text whose font you want to identify, and selecting it is essential to access Canva's font detection tools. Once you've selected the image, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Canva interface. You'll see an option labeled Edit. Go ahead and click on it. This opens up a menu with various editing tools specifically designed for working with uploaded images, including the font identification feature we're about to use. After clicking Edit, look for the Tools section in the menu that appears. You'll notice a button that says See All. Click on this to reveal the complete list of available tools. From the expanded options, find and select Grab Text. This powerful feature uses Canva's AI to detect any text present in your image and extract it into an editable format. Keep in mind that this process might take a little while, especially if your image is large or contains multiple text elements, so be patient as Canva analyzes the image. Once Canva finishes processing, it will highlight all the text it detects within your image. Click on the specific text element you want to identify, then click the Grab button. This action tells Canva to extract that particular text and convert it into an editable text box. Again, this step might take a moment as the system processes the font information and creates the new text element, so give it a few seconds to complete the extraction. After the extraction is complete, Canva will create a new editable text box containing the Grab text. Click on this new text box to select it, and then look up at the top toolbar where you'll find the font field. This field displays the name of the font Canva has identified or matched to your text. Simply read the font name shown there to discover what font was used in your original design. It's important to note that if Canva doesn't have the exact font in its library, it will automatically show you the closest match instead. This means you might not always get the precise original font, but you'll get something very similar that you can use as a substitute in your design work. And there you have it. You've successfully identified the font used in your design using Canva's text grabbing feature. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.